Chào mừng anh chị đã quay trở lại với chương trình Bean Talks, nơi chúng tôi chia sẻ hai mặt hàng chính, mặt hàng cà phê và mặt hàng đậu tương. Hôm nay thì chúng ta rất là vui mừng quay trở lại cùng với cả anh Daniel. Good afternoon, Mr. Daniel.
Hello.
So, yes, so far we have been experiencing with the market. The market is quite quiet this week due to the holiday. And yesterday the market off, so the same to the Arabica, so only the Robusta opened the market, and but the volatility is quite small, and today the market will open again, will go back, and we will have the final day for trading before we end this week of the last week for the November. So okay, which commodity you want to discuss first?
To you, which one you decide
Okay, so
to
based
start?
on the screen already, so we choose the coffee. We can
Okay.
see the, yeah, it is the
Yeah,
Arabica, right?
I just want to show a bit quickly
Daily,
Arabica before showing
yeah.
Robusta.
Okay, good, good.
Yeah. So I think Arabica, it's still looks like a bit bearish in my opinion, despite the three latest candles are going up.
Mm,
So I would not say that I'm bullish Arabica yet,
yeah.
which is opposite to my view for Robusta.
Mm,
Or sometimes we cannot have the same view. Usually, Robusta Arabica, we should have more or less the same view, right?
mm,
But I have to say that I'm not very bullish for Arabica, but a bit more bullish for Robusta. In fact, I would even say that for Robusta, my bullish sentiment is 60% bullish, and I would say 40% bearish.
bearish, yes.
Yeah,
And so far, it's still in trading in the trading range. Yeah.
you're right. They are both. You know, if you do again, if you look at the orange one,
Mm.
you will see a bearish market. But if you look at the blue one, see the blue trading range,
Yes.
the blue channel, then it's a bullish. So I believe in this one so far. I think last week I really, oh, sorry, maybe this week, no, last week. Last week I switched my view for Robusta from bearish to bullish, and mainly because of this candle.
Oh.
This candle made me switch my view. You know, there are a few questions we can wonder here. Let's say if you open the position on 6th November, you're not so good now. You're not so good with the market right now. But if you open a position on 17th November, or let's see, even you open a long position here,
Mm.
right? In the
When it
near
touch,
the low,
yes, it touch the
if
low, yeah.
all people who open long position here or who open long position that day, maybe not too high, but a bit lower. All people who open a position here, they are in this area, you see, in this area here, very comfortable.
Yeah.
They're very
Yeah,
comfortable.
yeah,
They're
yeah.
still comfortable. So that's why for me, it makes me think that the best position now is to be long right now. But of course, it's only the best position for those who are long in this zone, this area. Okay, if you are long here, it's not so good. If you are long here, it's also okay. If you are long here, it's fine. So that's why that's why I would like to show you why I switch from bearish to bullish
Yes.
on 21st November, because first second big candle after this one convinced me that there was a change in the market, and I can see that the best entry so far is here in this area as a long position. So okay, and let me give you a few other indication about why I'm bullish. So if you take if you take the bearish channel, which is the orange one, and you can see this bearish channel started
Yeah.
for the upper line started on 23rd October. But if you take the parallel or the opposite line, it starts on 14 October earlier. So if you take all the candles from this date, 14 October, until now, or until yesterday, you have more positive candles. If you count. So what I call positive candle, Lily, it's when the market close above the middle of the candle range. Okay? Yes. So I don't take the green on red. What I call a positive candle, it can be red, but if the close is above the middle of the range of the candle, then it's a positive candle for me. And you count from 14 October, from the beginning of the channel till now, there are 17 positive candle and 15, 1-5, negative candle. So that's also showing me that it's a bit possible that we are in a bullish trend. So there are a lot of factors like that that I like to use, or I like to check to decide where is my view. And for example, if I would be long now, I give you another case, another idea long. Why I'm bullish? Sorry. If you will be long now, where would you put your stop loss?
I would.
So I would personally I would put it here, but I don't know. Maybe I don't know. You put a bit lower, but if you would be long, wherever you started going long here or here, where would you put your stop loss? Your trading stop loss? I put it here or here. You know.
Okay.
But if you are short now, where would you put your stop loss? It's very difficult. It's very difficult to find where you put your stop loss if you are short. Maybe maybe you put it here. But it's not so difficult. In fact, you can put it here, or maybe here. I don't know. But you can see that if you have a long position, you have more choices.
Yes.
You can put a stop loss here. Right. You have much more flexibility and options. So that's why all these things makes me think that this is a bullish market.
Okay.
And I took a long position on Tuesday, but fortunately on Tuesday the market retreated. You can see here on the candle. But the next day it was positive, you know. So if I could have opened my long position here, still be alive. Okay, that's my view. So I'm bullish.
Oh, okay. From my side, I think it's still on the trading. In at least so far until next week, I think the market is still in the sideways. So I rather to stay outside, keep watching the market. The coffee bean. So let's move to the soybean, because
Yes.
before the market closed, before the holiday, the market have quite a strong increase. But for me, I think this reaction just like still the market still under the correction. Like I still believe that we still can go short for this range, like from 1,130 and 40, 140, yeah. Because before that we can see like keep yeah. So what do you think?
Yeah, you know, I think it's important to keep the university or school mindset somehow when you trade. So why I'm telling you that, because you know, when you go to school or university, you have a test and you get a mark, right? I don't know, see, it could be between 1 on 10 or 1 on 20, depends on the country.
Yeah.
So what I'm telling you that because I have my own score table. So I check where is my score, and it goes for 1 to 100 is in percent. So, and the average is 50%. So when you start being you score, so you have to find a way to measure, to assess your score.
Correct. Yeah.
And for that you have to track. You have to track how you trade, or you have to track how you view. because you cannot also trade every day.
Mm.
But I track my view every day, and that gives me a score. So when the score goes under 50, then I better stop trading.
Okay.
I better stop trading. I take a break for 1 week, 2 weeks, whatever, until my score goes back
Yeah, yeah, I
to
understand.
at, at least 56. So we also have to admit, when we trade individually, like myself or for ourselves, we have to admit that it's extremely difficult to have a score above 60%.
Mm.
Extremely difficult. It's all for me. I think it's basically only the market makers who can reach 90, 95%. We usually, a good trader, even professional trader with whom I work all my life, I think they basically around 60% if they are successful. But if 60% is enough, it means on 10 trades, 6 of them are good. So it's enough. So okay, so it depends where you score, and according to that, you can trade a bit more, you can trade less. So I just wanted to share that, you know. So if sometimes you can see in my WhatsApp group that I'm silent or I don't trade too much, because my score is below 50. So I wait because I
Mm.
check it every day, and when it goes again around 55, 56, I will start trading. And if it goes 65, 70, then I will be very, very dynamic.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I just wanted to share that with you. So to go back to the charts
Yes.
and share a bit my view.
Sometimes we need
So I would,
to stop
mm,
for the moment to review everything, and we take some lesson, and from that we can keep going. Yeah, start.
yeah, I think if you want one of these Friday, we can use a podcast where I can show a bit how I measure my score.
Mm.
If you're interested, if
Yeah.
you,
Mm.
we don't want to be like the 90%, 95% who are losing. So then I always think about the best trader. So if the best trader shorted here, you can see on 3rd November, let's say at the top, the best profit was from here to here.
Mm.
Okay, let's say a bear trader gets short here and exit here. That's the profit. Now you can see if a bullish trader enter here with a long position and get out here,
Mm.
you can see the bullish trader is more
Yeah, yeah,
profitable.
I can see.
Okay, so okay, now you take, this is one cycle, now another cycle. You take here, from here, a bear trader shorted and get out here. I'm sure some people did it, maybe not a lot, but some people were short here and some people get exited here. So you can see the profit you make here is still smaller than the profit you make here.
Mm.
You
Oh,
can see?
okay.
So that's why I keep my bullish view. As long as I don't see a cycle
Mm.
which is more profitable than the previous one, I will not change. So now if the market doesn't go high too much,
Mm.
the markets keep going up a little bit like here,
Mm.
and then start going down, then I will see that the bull traders are making less profit,
Mm.
and I will switch to a bearish view. But as long as I cannot see that, I keep my bullish view. You see what I mean?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, very clear. Yes.
Yes.
Oh,
And
but
also, I
overall,
don't
you
see
still,
any.
yes,
Sorry, go
follow
ahead.
the
Yeah, go
bullish.
ahead.
Yes, you still overall, your view is still bullish, so you still find the any opportunity, a chance to enter the long position.
Yeah, so I'm long.
Mm.
I opened a long position
Mm.
on Wednesday. So I'm long here. You can see
Mm.
1, 1, 2, 4.
Okay.
So another reason why I'm not turning bearish yet is because I don't see any structure
Mm.
for the bearish.
Mm.
You can see here we have a high. We have a high here,
Mm.
and we have maybe the first low one. If you see the bearish side, okay. If you see the bearish side, the only thing we have so far
Mm.
is we have a high here, and we have a low here,
Mm.
and we have a lower high here.
Yeah.
But you see, there is no channel yet. You cannot identify any channel. It's impossible. So then, if you cannot see the channel, you cannot identify the market cycle.
Mm.
So why for the bullish bullish view, you can perfectly identify the channel. But for the bearish view, there is no channel visible yet. So that's why I'm not switching to bearish as well.
Your time, and see you next week. Happy Friday. Yes. Bye bye. Okay.